Over the years, the cleaning industry has gone through major challenges. Risk associated with different working environments escalated. The need for customised products armed with the latest technology increased, and machines available to fulfil these demands were limited. With this in mind, Polivac began its quest in 1949, making diligent efforts and investments in continuous research and development to equip the cleaning industry with innovative solutions to overcome these challenges. Polivac International has been recognised as Australia's leading manufacturer of commercial cleaning equipment and a major exporter of advanced cleaning technology worldwide. All our machines are manufactured in our Melbourne facility. Our products can be customised to your diverse working requirements. Our regulated manufacturing process is quality checked to deliver highest possible standards. Here at Polivac, the safety of the operator and community are of paramount importance. Our machines are designed to reduce operation risk and operator fatigue, as they are designed with features like ergonomic handles and offset motor that decreases starting torque. We also provide risk assessment and training for each machine. Polivac machine bodies are made with either aluminium casting or steel to enhance durability even under tough conditions. Polivac's team are also significantly aware of our need to preserve the environment. Starting from our solar panels to power our manufacturing, to a focus on designing energy-efficient and recyclable machines to reduce end-of-life cycle waste. We believe Australian-made products can lead the world in quality and innovation. Our strength is in our employees, key supply partners, and over 120 distributors present locally and overseas. We intend on nurturing these strong relationships to bring ever more innovative products for years to come.